It's cleaning day! Yeah, once I blow them out, kind of hit them with a nice soft brush. Any extra dust that might be lingering, kind of want to be gentle. You don't want to hit them too much. You don't want to break a blade or something. Yeah, make them all happy again. Nice and clean. I had to go a couple towns over to find the 8-inch hose for this, so now I got an 8-inch elbow on there. It just comes down, gives some fresh air down to the front of these. They blow across. This guy blows across, and then the hot air pulled out through there. Got my temp sensor back there. Kind of lets me know what the intake air is. Yeah, nice cleaning day. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Later.